Okay, here we are.
Yes,
We're
we got
on-
a fish now.
Woo, we're on the Rio Petro Way in Chile. Sun's just coming out. Sylvain's got a big fish on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to say it a little bit in French?
Ah, c'est une très belle place avec mon ami Jack Trout,
Hola.
le meilleur guide du Chili, the best guide in Chile.
Yeah, I hope. Oh, you were
It's my
just
first trout.
on a fly rod?
It's my first trout
Wow, whoa. Ooh, another one jumped.
with the flying fishing.
Whoa, and yeah, and he enjoys it a lot. Took about about a half hour. Now we're gonna take it really slow now, slow, and go ahead here. Beautiful, yeah, just take your time, lots of time. Yeah, let him go. There goes the rafters way off in the distance.
You have all the day, man.
All the day. The whole day.
Passion.
Yay.
I bring the fish in your net or what?
Yeah, just slowly bring them in. Sometimes they're so big it just takes a little bit of time to get the fish because they have to be tired. And we have the clouds up high. And it's gonna be a sunny day, but every morning in Chile we get the coast clouds that come in from the ocean. And we're only about 30 miles from the ocean here. Oh yeah, I saw it. It was either a rainbow trout or a steelhead. Ooh, wow. Very strong fish, huh? And this is Sylvain's first fish on a fly rod. He's taken a cruise now from Buenos Aires all the way down to the southern tip of South America around the Magellan Straits and then up through Torres del Paine area of Chile, where then he came into the port of Puerto Montt, and that's where he met me. Okay, we're back now. We're on
After
the
a little break.
Yeah, the fish got caught in the logs, so we're gonna do a part 2 here. It's a very strong fish. Sylvain is very happy about his first fish on a fly rod. So, walk out a little bit. Yeah, just walk out a little bit. Here's my net. They make them Broden. It's a nice net. Oh, fish is almost ready. This is good. They see that net. Look at these stressing. The fish is really working Sylvain hard. It's great. Okay. And we use 2 nymphs underneath this bobber to catch this fish. A really small hook. So he's got to really take his time here because if you pull too hard, he'll just pop off. That's it. No more fish. So, okay, now back up. Yeah. We got a guy behind, he's fishing with a spinner. I see him here all the time, so we're kind of like friends now. He'll back out of there if my client catches a fish, you know, it's cool. I come here all the time and we catch all the fish because we use these small nymphs, and it's a different style of fishing than they've seen here in Chile. I use like size 16 and 18 nymphs and stuff. So, okay, back up more. Okay, so we're getting really close. I can see the fish now. Oh, let him go, let him go, let him go. Yep, keep backing up. Yeah, the fish he gets around me and he starts really stressing, so I'm not looking like a log to him at all. There's Sylvain. Beautiful mountains of the Andes. So I was gonna take him to the Mojine, but I know there's bigger fish here, and this river's beautiful. Look at this, looks like something out of Kamchatka, Russia. So, but it's in Chile. And like I said before, we're about 30 miles from the ocean. and these fish have to fight these huge currents. So this is a great fish for Sylvain to catch for his first fish, because he can really get the feel of what it's like to catch it on this fly rod, where the feeling is, you know, it's equal. Yep. So, and there's two things that I love in life is, oh, this is a beautiful rainbow. Add a new species of fish is number one, and the second is see my passport get stamped. Those are my two favorite. Now this is where I don't want to screw up. Oh, we got him, folks. Look at that beauty. Woohoo! That's a big fish in Chile. Welcome to Chile.
Yes!
Wow, look at that big fish. That's a beautiful. Well, that's Sylvain on his first fly fishing adventure, folks. And we'd like to thank his wife right now. Thanks for letting you come along here, huh? Right?
Yeah.
Have the trip. He got the wife approval. That's always important. That's it. Well, that's Jack Trout over and out.
Ok, maintenant on va relâcher la truite. Superbe poisson. Ici au Chili, c'est catch and release always.
Did you like that?
Yeah, yeah.
Woo!
Thank you, Jack.
You bet. Welcome to Chile. Thanks for coming down.